The abacus is an extremely simple object, but it is considered a mathematical machine. The first abacuses were invented by Phoenicians, the Chaldeans, the Chinese in the 21st century before Christ. They had different shapes and colors. They were made with rods, beads, rings or buttons. In the last 50 years in Italy, we have used this kind of abacus with 3-4 rods, 3-4 colors. It has become almost conventional. In our textbooks, you will see these pictures. Actually, colors are not important, but children love them so much.
As a personal opinion, after asking foreigner children and colleagues, I'm inclined to think that outside Italy, the abacus is not that popular.
Am I wrong? Please write it in the comments. I am very interested in your opinion and your experience too. My pupils like using the abacus, and I consider it absolutely useful. It helps children understand tens and ones, how to change them, how to make 2-digit operations. So, all my pupils use and create their own abacus. How to make it? Follow the tutorial.
You need a cork divided in two. Ask families to give you corks already cut. It will be much easier. Toothpicks, pasta, watercolors, brushes, jewel boxes. Put 2 or 3 toothpicks into the cork. They will be your rods. And then count 9 pasta beads for each rod. Color 9 blue ones and 9 red tens. Let children color their pasta beads. They love it. And in a few seconds they will dry. Now you can disassemble everything and put it inside the jewel box. Keep the not colored pasta in another box. Unavoidably, the color beads will be broken or lost. Substitute them and insist with your pupils that the color is not important. Position is. Now your abacus is ready. Let's use it. Exercise number 1. Compose digit numbers on the abacus.
E tu me lo devi fare su quest'abaco, ok? Facciamo il numero 33, ok? Sì.
Exercise number 2, addition and subtraction, 2-digit operations.
23 più 24. 23, sei già pronta? 23 più 24. Okay, appena hai finito di scrivere vai. 23 più 24.
Quindi 2 decine e 4 unità.
Prima c'è il 23, 2 decine e 3 unità. E poi ci aggiungi il 24. Deve darci la risposta. Quanto fa?
23 più 24 fa 47.
Campione. Hai messo 2 decine, metti 3 unità. Al posto viene un compagno e aggiunge 24. Vai. 2 decine. 1, 2, 3, 4 unità. Contami le decine, dimmi il risultato. Ti ricordi come si contano le decine?
10, 20,
Bravissima, quindi 41.
42, 43, 44, 45, 46 e 47.
Andiamo con la sottrazione. 56 meno 34. L'hai già fatta? Ma non ho fatto in tempo a dirlo.
I have no videos about how to change ones and tens. My pupils are still in the first class. But you can easily imagine how to make it. Exchange one 10 with 10 ones, and now you can operate. As you can see, the small jewel box is on the desk with pencil case and notebook. The kids are working both with symbols, writing digits on their notebooks, both touching, counting, and operating with real objects. Integrating practical activities and theoretical learning is always the best strategy. Besides, children adore crafts, so let's make maths crafts, why not? Okay, that's all. If you found this video interesting, remember to like it and subscribe the channel. Enjoy your school time and bye for now.